Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this very minimal glowy look for the face using affordable skincare products as well as some of my favorite face products. Today we are focusing just on the base, so I have my lash extensions and brows complete, and you can see those products down below in the description box. And we are going to first start with some hydration. I'm currently breaking out a little bit because it's that time of the month, and I tend to get some breakouts on my cheeks, so we have areas that are healing. And I'm going to be applying the All Day Everyday Serum from Karuna, and this helps to prep and hydrate the skin with coconut water and peptides to give you that super extra glow before applying any makeup. These products are super affordable as well, and you can get them at Whole Foods. Next, I'm applying the RHODE Plumping Lip Treatment. I really love this product. It's super hydrating and just makes the lips look super juicy. And my lips have been really dry lately, so I keep this with me on the go. I just got a replenishment, so I'm opening a new box. And the All Day Cream from Karuna is great moisturizer that uses goji berry to balance the skin tone, watermelon, and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. And I love that it hydrates my skin and helps to avoid any cracking after I've applied my makeup. So it's really good underneath any type of foundation. I carry a lot of tension in my face, so I really like to do a massage to help depuff, to help de-stress, to help with any areas that I may have a headache. I get headaches in my eyes for some reason. I think it's probably because I'm constantly editing or on devices filming things, so I like to give myself a little massage at this point around the orbital bone, around the cheekbones. This is going to help lightly move around any puffiness or water retention underneath the skin. You skin junkies know how much I love doing Gua Sha, so this is just another routine you can follow along with any Gua Sha that has the similar curves of this one. I will link a few down below in the description box that are some of my favorites. I get a lot of mine from Audacity, and then I also, this is a little secret, I have been creating my own, so hopefully that will be coming out very soon. And you'll be able to follow along my steps on how I use it on myself, but also in the treatment room. So keep an eye out for that. Now we have the Wake Up Eye Cream, which uses coffee cherry and quinoa to reduce puffiness and rejuvenate as well as brighten the skin around the eyes. And you can find these Karuna skin products via the link below and use my code JADE for 20% off. Or like I said, you can find them at Whole Foods stores, which is super convenient. The most important step is sunscreen, and we are using Naturium's Dew Glow Sunscreen SPF 50. This leaves the skin looking very luminous, and you can stop right here if you don't want to put on any foundation, and your skin will just look very radiant. For my foundation, I'm using Beautiful Skin Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, which is one of my favorite makeup lines. Her products are just super high quality, and this looks really nice on any complexion. It's very smooth, but not too full coverage. So you're gonna get like a medium coverage. You can still see your skin breathing through, and that's what I like. And for a little touch up on any of the spots, I'm applying the NARS concealer. This is my OG. And for the cheeks, I love tints. I love anything that's gonna give that flush, natural, kind of rosy look to the cheeks. And my favorite is Benetint, but you have to be quick when you use this because it really tints the skin, but leaves a really beautiful flush to the cheeks. Lastly, popping on some gloss from MAC Cosmetics to add just a shimmer to the lips and that pout, and you are good to go. We are not adding any powder, so if you do have oily skin, be sure to maybe pop on a translucent powder to make sure that this stays in place. But I really wanted that super glowy, luminous, shimmery look to the skin, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, my beautiful do babies, I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what type of makeup tips you want to see next, what type of skin tips. Meet me in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if you did, subscribe to be part of the Skin Junkie crew. And I'm sending you all love, light, and luminous skin.